We've all heard the sentence, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I'll drink the red. But then I'll totally flip out when somebody spills it on my white carpet or my white blouse or my white anything. But not me, not this year. And I'm gonna tell you why. I have the best foolproof way to get red wine stains out of anything. And I'm gonna show you how. Hello, wine lovers. I'm Erin, the founder and chief sommelier here at the Wine Sisters. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. And this week, I'm also showing you how to clean up like a pro. Specifically, those pesky red wine stains that we all live in fear of. But as much as I'd love to take credit for it, it's actually not me. It comes from this fantastic book. It's called Laundry Love: Finding Joy in a Common Chore by Patric Richardson. Now, this is not a sponsored post. I wish it was. And Patrick, if you're watching this video, I really want to be your best friend. So consider it. I picked up this book in the summertime and it is truly a lifesaver. Not only is it charming and funny and engaging, considering it's a book about laundry, but it's absolutely fabulous. But it also has just amazing ways to get the stains out of anything. Any stain, any fabric, including leather, fur, silks, you name it. Anyway, so of course, the one that I gravitated to first and foremost was the red wine stains. And another thing I love about this is that Patric Richardson, a textile expert and a clothing expert who's worked in great stores all across the States, and I do believe has his own now. They're all with eco-friendly products. So you can do away with those expensive colored plastic bottles and you can go to things that are actually a lot better for you and the environment. So that's an added bonus. Biggest bonus, it works. So what I've got here is, let's just move my precious Bible out of the way. I don't want anything happening to the baby. I actually keep this in my laundry room. Okay, so what we have here is we have the red wine that has been spilt on this white cloth. And I know what you're thinking, there is no way this is coming out. I'm not going to lie to you. I did this experiment before putting it on video because I also, silly me, I also doubted the wise and sage advice of Patric Richardson. Okay, so this is what he advises to do, and this is what I've done, and you will see what a miracle it is. So into a bowl, I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of sodium percarbonate. I am not much of a scientist, but I believe this is some sort of sodium and oxygenator. Either way, it works like a charm. So into a bowl, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of sodium percarbonate. I also have a kettle that has been filled with hot water. I'm going to pour that in. Look how that just bubbles. You can even hear it. Okay, so I'll put that in. And as simple as this, here we go. And you will start to see that the stain comes out and the water starts to turn color immediately. Look at that. Look how it's already starting to come out. And Patrick says you can do this, like no need to panic if you're in the middle of your Christmas party or your New Year's party or the middle of your wedding. You don't have to go running for the laundry room. You can let those stains set for a day, even a week, and this method will make it come out. Look, it's almost coming out already. So now that I've got this set and soaked in the sodium percarbonate in hot water, I'm now going to take it to the laundry room and launder it, just like normal, and we'll see how it all comes out. Stay tuned. All right, truth time. It's the nail biter. The laundry has done. Let's see what we've got. It's always ungraceful to try and bend over and get this out for the camera. So watch me as I just sort of subtly. You ready? Like, are you really ready? Like, are you ready? Ta-da! Ladies and gentlemen, the magic of laundry. Mr. Patric Richardson coming through with the heat for getting the red wine out. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot recommend this book, Laundry Love: Finding Joy in the Common Chore by Patric Richardson, enough. There's also ideas for taking out butter stains, gravy stains, any kind of stain. It is absolutely a life and definitely a laundry saver. So hopefully you will find that in your stocking this year. And if not, go to any online retailer or any small bookstore and pick it up for yourself. It's absolutely indispensable. And it will also give you the confidence that you too can deck the halls with abandonment and pure joy, knowing that any stain is completely manageable if you follow Patric Richardson's sage advice. Friends, I hope you found that helpful, and I wish you the very best for a happy, joyous, and peaceful holiday season, and maybe even a stain-free one. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Maybe even hit the bell so you can be alerted to when we drop a new video, which is every single week. And if you think you have some friends who might benefit from some stain-free advice, forward this video to them as well. Anyway, until next year, stay well, drink better, stay stain-free.